Imagine waking up one morning and finding a shiny metal robot standing by your bed. It's not here to destroy humanity. It tilts its head, scans you, and says, "Good human. Who wants breakfast?" Robot patting a happy stick figure on the head as if they were a dog. "Congratulations. You're now somebody's pet." So, what if robots decided to treat humans the same way we treat cats and dogs? First, let's think about how we treat pets today. We feed them, play with them, clean up their messes, and, whether they like it or not, drag them to the vet once in a while. Now imagine flipping the script. The robots are in charge and you're the adorable, slightly clumsy creature they've decided to take care of. Step 1. Housing. Instead of choosing where to live, your robot caretaker picks it out for you. Maybe you end up in a cozy apartment with a giant beanbag bed and automatic snack dispensers. Or maybe, if you're a premium breed human, you get a whole smart house with climate controls set exactly to your liking. But either way, your choices aren't really yours anymore. Like pets, you'd be living in a world built for someone else's idea of your comfort. Step 2. Diet. Robots would definitely regulate what you eat. Forget ordering late-night pizza. Your robot would scan your health stats and say, cholesterol high. Time for broccoli pellets. You'd get perfectly balanced meals, but no cheat days. On the upside, you'd never have to cook or wash dishes again. On the downside, say goodbye to ice cream binges. Step 3. Activities. Ever notice how we try to keep pets entertained so they don't get bored? Robots would do the same with us. Expect scheduled walkies, but instead of a leash, maybe a self-driving treadmill that takes you around the park. Or maybe they'd throw a frisbee and wait patiently while you fail to catch it. Your social calendar? Managed by your robot who signs you up for human playdates at the local park. Step 4. Healthcare. Robots wouldn't let you skip your checkups. Imagine being scooped up and taken to the doctor because your robot noticed you sneezed twice. Flu shots, dental cleanings, blood tests, you get them all on time whether you like it or not. Honestly, we'd probably live longer, but it wouldn't feel very dignified when your robot posts online about how brave you were at the dentist. Now here's where things get interesting. Training. Just like we teach dogs to sit or cats to use a litter box, robots might try to train us. Want that dessert pellet? Sit. Want to watch Netflix? Roll over. But here's the twist. Some people might actually prefer it. No bills, no stress, no decision fatigue. Just a shiny caretaker making sure you're warm, fed, and entertained. We'd essentially be pampered zoo animals, living long, cushy lives in exchange for giving up freedom. So would this world be paradise or prison? Probably both. We'd be healthier, maybe even happier, but less human. Because being human isn't about having perfect care. It's about making messy choices, even if that means eating ice cream for dinner. So what do you think? Would you actually enjoy being a robot's pet, or would you fight to keep your freedom, even if it meant less comfort? Drop your thoughts in the comments. I'm really curious which way people lean on this one. And hey, if you enjoyed exploring this weird what if, give this video a like, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more fun dives into science and imagination. Robot pointing a camera at a stick figure giving a thumbs up nervously, with the caption area empty, to suggest posting online. Because who knows, someday the robots might be watching, and they'll want to know if you were a good human.